Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling the name of a high-fashion brand that's sleek, elegant, and often mispronounced. That's right, we're talking about Givenchy. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is Jee-von-chee. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is G, like the sound in genre or Jacques. The second part is Vaughan, like the French vent, which means wind. And finally, she, like sheep, but with a softer ending. Now say it with me. Givenchy. One more time. Givenchy. Great job. So, where does the name Givenchy come from? Well, it's the surname of Hubert de Givenchy, the French designer who founded the brand in 1952. Givenchy became famous for dressing Hollywood icons, especially Audrey Hepburn. Yep, that famous black dress, Givenchy. Fun fact, many people say Gee-vinchy or Givenchy, but now you know the right way, Givenchy. Now next time you're talking about luxury fashion, perfumes or red carpet looks, you can say it like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves fashion. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.